How to fix Apple payment method declined on iPhone. First, check payment information. Go to Settings, tap Apple ID, then Payment and Shipping. Verify card details. Number, expiry date, CVV, billing info, and update any discrepancies and tap Done. Second, sign out and sign back in App Store. Open App Store, tap Profile Picture, then sign out. Then sign back in to refresh the payment method. Third, try different payment method. If declined, try a new card or alternative methods like Apple Account Balance, Apple Gift Card, Debit Card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Fourth, take care of outstanding payments. Check for unpaid purchases in App Store purchase history. Go to Settings, Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View Account, Purchase History. Fifth, contact bank or credit card company. If issues persist, despite accurate info and sufficient funds, contact the bank or credit card company for assistance.